There are factors which affect climb performance. Depending on how much they vary, this can have a major impact on climb performance. Altitude and temperature. As altitude and temperature decreases, air density decreases, resulting in a reduction in the power available, and a higher speed required to produce lift. When we take the same power graph to determine our Vy power, we can show the effects of that reduction in power. With the power reduced, and the power required increased, the result is that level flight is available throughout a smaller area. Now there is less power available and more power required. Weight and flap. The increase in drag caused by the addition of flaps increases the thrust required. This can be seen back in our forces in a climb section. Additional thrust is required for a climb. So adding more drag will result in more thrust being required. Another thing that affects our climb performance will be a headwind. Now is a good time to define what we mean by climb performance. Our performance in a climb can mean what we are trying to achieve. So in a best angle Vx climb, our performance will be the height gained in the least forward distance. In a Vy, best rate of climb, the performance is the height gained in the least time, or the amount of height gained in a given time. In this case, a headwind could increase our Vx performance, as we would be traveling slower over the ground. The last factor we're going to speak about is the slipstream effect. This is a climb produced yaw to the left. Right rudder is required to balance the climb. The addition of rudder adds some drag. This reduces the performance of the climb.